Hi guys, it's me again, the Avashofa of your life. So today I'm going to show you how to make egg pudding. So you'll be needing half and half eggs, some gelatin powder, and water. First, you mix a quarter cup of water and a teaspoon of gelatin powder and set aside to bloom. Next, you ready your 3/4 of half and half cream. Then you pour it in a small pot. You warm it up on low heat until it's hot but not simmering. So while waiting, you separate the egg yolks from the white. So as you can see, dili ko pro. Nag-struggle ko very light lang. And when you're done separating, you're going to add some sugar. So add as many sugar as you like, depending on how sweet you want your pudding. Yeah. So our milk is now ready. We're going to mix it with our egg. No, we're not going to mix it directly. What we're going to do is we're going to pour a little of our milk to our egg mixture so that atong egg dili maluto day. So we're just going to mix it in small parts. And then once the egg mixture has warmed up, we're going to mix it now with our milk. Now we're just going to cook it in low-medium heat for maybe 3 to 4 minutes and just continually whisk it para di siya magpilit sa ilang. So sige, itawa lang din siya. We'll know it's good when it's already thickened. Now we're going to mix in our gelatin with water, katong ganihang mixture. Yep, and then continually whisk it. Yeah. So now we're going to put it in our container. I'm actually using a bowl because I don't have any container. And we'll just wait for it to cool off. And then once it has cooled off, we're going to cover it with cling wrap. Yes, there you go. I'm just slowly covering it with cling wrap. So pretty. My fingers are so sexy. SHIMAAAA. And now we're going to chill it for maybe 4 to 5 hours or until when the egg pudding has set. Or feel mo lami na siya tanawon. Yes, and then close the doors, refrigerator para move now. So guys, said again, thank you so much for watching my tutorial on how to make egg pudding. Don't forget to like and subscribe.